Hi everyone, Afi here. Kali ini saya memperkenalkan inovasi terbaru dari Wardah, yaitu Wardah Hydra Rose. Ini adalah satu rangkaian skincare yang cocok banget untuk kamu yang punya kulit kering dan punya masalah dengan kulit dehidrasi. Ada dua kandungan yang menarik banget di Wardah Hydra Rose ini. Yang pertama adalah Avalanche Rose Oil dan yang kedua adalah 72 Hours Hydrating Actives. Apa sih yang menarik dari kedua ingredients ini? Kita akan tanya langsung ke para expertnya. Pertama, aku mau membahas tentang rose oil. Rose oil ini punya banyak sekali manfaat untuk kulit. Salah satunya adalah meredakan inflamasi yang terjadi pada kulit, mencegah tanda-tanda penuaan, dan juga memberikan kelembapan ke kulit. Nah, tapi di produk-produknya Wardah Hydra Rose yang digunakan bukan sembarang rose oil, tapi adalah Avalanche Rose Oil yang didapatkan dari kelopak bunga mawar terbaik yang tumbuh secara sustainable di sebuah perkebunan di Belanda. Untuk tahu lebih banyak tentang Avalanche Rose Oil ini dan keistimewaannya, kita tanya-tanya yuk langsung ke Miss Nathalie, Product Manager dari Holstar France. Hi Nathalie, how are you?
Good afternoon, I'm really well, thank you.
So Nathalie, I think Avalanche Rose is very interesting and I would like to know more about it. So if you don't mind, I would like to ask you a few questions, okay? First of all, what is Avalanche Rose and how is it different from other rose varieties?
The Rose Avalanche is a variety of rose which has been historically created for ornamental creations. This really specific and beautiful rose is really different from the other rose varieties for many reasons. First of all, because it has a thicker stem and has the peculiarity of having more generous buds. You know, the buds of the flowers are something which are really very, very important. So it gives them bigger flowers with very layers, we can say multiple layers of petals. That makes that rose really, really unique. Some more information regarding the origin of that rose. What we call the native country of rose or the cradle of rose of this avalanche rose is Holland or the Netherlands. And very important to know is that it won many prestigious international awards during the last years.
Which part of the rose plant that is used as an ingredient for skincare?
All flowers is used for skincare. We find on the market, around the skincare ingredient, we can find some rose water, also rose essential oil, and also rose oil base. And the soft rose oleoactive that we have developed for your wonderful brand is a rose from an oil-based extract. So it has a very, very high specificity that we have developed according to a technology that we patent in France in order to be able to extract more of the active compounds of the rose into this oily system.
Can it be used for all skin types?
The rose-based cosmetic are described to be appropriate to all skin types. Normal skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, mature skin, including Caucasian skin, but for sure Asian skin and African skin also.
Is Avalanche Rose grown and cultivated in a sustainable way? Can you explain to us more about that?
The rose avalanche is not a wildflower. So these roses, they are cultivated all the year in greenhouses or gardens for cosmetic, for perfume applications. And the valorization of the rose has no impact on the biodiversity or no impact on any specific ecosystem. It is truly a sustainable resource available available in mastered cultivation conditions.
From my experience, sometimes hydrating skincare products are not moisturizing enough or not dewy enough for my skin. I think it's because they mainly just use water as the main component. So can you give us more insight about the perfect balance between oil and water that is included in Wardah Hydra Rose series?
So water hydrates the skin but does not moisturize, okay? And oils which is the case into that series of products. The oils, they moisturize the skin, but they does not hydrate. So here's why they are both essential in a cosmetic product for a great skin. Mhm. So oils are very important to the skin because they create a protective layer to nourish the top layers of the skin. Essentially, they lock in the moisture to prevent the water loss. So when you have dry skin, it is often as a result of a deficiency in oils, and so your skin needs to be moisturized. Dehydrated skin is due to a lack of water and needs to be hydrated. So your skin stays hydrated with water that you drink and apply topically. And both of these methods of hydration are necessary for a good skin, for a healthy skin, and for a healthy tone. When water helps oil to penetrate more deeply, which is why you should always use oils on damp skin when you want to moisture them.
Okay, Natalie, thank you so much. That was very
It was my
insightful.
pleasure. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
bye. Oke, sekarang kita akan bahas satu kandungan lainnya yang ada di Wardah Hydra Rose. Namanya adalah 72 Hours Hydrating Active. Nah, 72 Hours Hydrating Active ini memiliki struktur yang mirip dengan Natural Moisturizing Factor atau NMF yang ada di kulit kita, yang fungsinya adalah mengikat air dalam kulit. Kalau gitu langsung aja yuk kita tanya-tanya sama Miss Bian, seorang scientist. So Bian, I would like to learn more about NMF and I would like to ask you a few questions, okay? First of all, what is NMF and its functions in the skin?
NMF actually stands for Natural Moisturizing Factor, and it is naturally occurring element that is found in our stratum corneum, which helps to keep our skin hydrated and protected. However, NMF levels in the skin can be greatly reduced due to routine washing in this current pandemic situation. Also, it can be resulting from environmental conditions such as climate, air conditioning, as well as UV radiation.
What is NMF booster?
An NMF booster is an ingredient that can boost the levels of NMF when a person's inbuilt NMF system is compromised in keeping the skin hydrated.
So what is the function of NMF booster?
NMF booster connects perfectly to the skin's surface layers and does not wash off easily, locking in moisture like a magnet, and helps in boosting the skin's own hydration power. This leads to an improved barrier in the mid to long term. The skin feels more comfortable, and the improved softness and moisturization eventually leads to a more revitalized skin appearance.
Would NMF booster as an ingredient in skincare give the same benefits as the NMF that are naturally present in our skin?
Yes, of course, as this was backed up by studies. There is a famous research done on such NMF booster to test its hydration power. In this study, it's called facial color mapping technology. And researchers were able to show skin hydration in the form of a color map. The NMF booster is able to provide instant skin hydration as the skin is well hydrated after just 3 hours of product application. Moreover, when used twice daily, the NMF booster is able to bring dry skin back to life and also calm stressed urban skin. Besides the impressive results, the NMF booster is also made from natural source derived from edible vegetable maize kernels, commonly known as corn. It is both eco and net true certified, and also it is halal certified, which is suitable for consumers in Indonesia.
Thank you so much, Bian, for sharing with us.
Thank you very much, Effie. The pleasure is mine.
Thank you, bye. Oke, sekarang kita udah kenal lebih dekat dengan Wardah Hydra Rose, sebuah rangkaian skincare yang cocok banget untuk kulit kering dan dehidrasi. Kita juga udah tahu lebih banyak tentang Avalanche Rose Oil dan 72 Hours Hydrating Actives yang mampu memberikan hidrasi ke kulit sekaligus mengunci hidrasi tersebut. Kalau kamu masih punya pertanyaan, silakan tinggalin di comment box di bawah ya. Thank you so much for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye!